Yo, it's the one, the only Coach Flo back at it again. I appreciate everyone for stopping by. If you are new to the channel and stopping by, I appreciate you for checking this channel out. This is Generation Investor, another episode, and just want to break down the topic between trading versus investing. Okay, so got to figure out what trading and investing is, because those who are new to the game probably kind of wondering, what does trading mean? What does investing mean? Because this is different from gambling. Okay, for those who looking to make a quick buck, you're in the wrong game. All right, you're in the wrong game. So you can go ahead and get that out your mind. Let's go make a quick buck, and if I put my money into this, no, that's not how they go. That's not how they go. We talk about trading versus investing. All right, so investing. What is investing, Coach Flo? I'm glad you asked. All right, investing is buying an asset, an individual stock, an ETF, a mutual fund, and you're going to hold the asset for years or decades. Okay, so investing or investments, you hold these assets for years or decades. Years can be 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Okay, so that's you're investing. That's an investment, and that can go along with stocks. That can go along with crypto. That can go along with real estate. That's what you call investing. Okay, so get in the mindset of, okay, if I'm going to get into the stock market, if I'm going to get into the real estate game or the crypto market, I have to start thinking with an investment mindset. Okay, I start thinking in an investment mindset, because that's where the generational wealth comes from. That's where the financial freedom is built. That's where it's established. Okay, and this is the overtime method. Okay, this is the buy and hold method. All right, this is the compound interest that I'm going to talk about briefly. Okay, so investing, you hold these things, these assets, and you're not trying to sell them anytime soon. All right, giving yourself more leverage. Okay, trading, on the other hand, this is buying an asset or selling an asset, buying and selling an asset, a bond, an individual stock, ETF. Okay, and hopes for short-term profit. All right, so traders, they buy and sell investments multiple times a day, a week or a month. So this takes, there's a lot of risks in the stock market in general. There's a lot of risks in buying stocks and crypto, but there's definitely a lot of risks in becoming a trader versus an investor. Okay, you can be an investor and be a day trader. Okay, those go hand in hand. All right, so you can swing some stuff. So basically, you buying Tesla, you buying Apple, you have a long-term portfolio, and then you have a short-term portfolio. And those traders, those are the ones who have the computer screens and monitors, multiple monitors, and they're watching the charts. Okay, it takes an art, it takes a real strategic strategy when it comes to becoming a trader. Okay, because you can lose a lot of money if you don't sell at the right time. Okay, if you don't buy at the right time. All right, so you have people who are that's like their 24/7 type deal. They're looking at the charts, they're looking at the monitors, and they know when to sell. All right, because they've been doing this for so long. All right, so it takes experience. It takes definitely you understanding the charts, when to buy, when to sell. Okay, that is definitely something. If you are looking to become a trader, you definitely have to do your homework. You definitely have to do your due diligence. You definitely have to be strategic. You cannot go into being a trader if you don't go that route. You cannot go into being a trader and you not know what you're doing. You will lose a lot of money. Stocks, crypto. Okay, so understanding that you can buy, you can sell, but you're doing it multiple times a day. All All right, so there's a lot of people who make a lot of money though, for sure, doing options, because that's another component of the stock market. So you can make a lot of money selling options, puts, calls, but you have to understand what you're getting yourself into and what type of stock that you're trying to buy a put, the type of stock that you're trying to sell a call. Okay, so understanding those terminologies, all right, that's going to help you. All right, so, but one, it's not better than the other. So I definitely want you to understand that you can make money in both, but at the same time, you just have to know what you're doing. You have to understand there's risks and there's high risk, high reward, okay? And the benefits of investing, you have the compound interest, compound return. So over time, you're making money over time because you're letting your stocks make money for you. You can earn dividend income. I've talked about in previous video, my last episode, talked about dividend companies, dividend stocks, okay? Monthly, quarterly. People live off of dividends. You just have to understand what you put your money into. And then you have a goal of beating inflation. We already know things are sky high. Everything. Mortgage, rent, food, medical bills, car note, everything is expensive. Almost. When it comes to the food, it's ridiculous how much inflation has been eating away at everyone's pocket. Like I've said in previous video, it doesn't matter how much you make. Whether you're making 100,000, making 50,000, 30,000, 150,000, okay, 450,000. All right, so whether you're a high income earner or a low income earner or just in the middle, inflation is killing everyone. And so the way to combat that is starting to invest, okay? Open up a high yield savings account. You can get that at pretty much any bank, okay? Credit unions or Fidelity is a bank, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, okay, Regions. It is so many different types of banks, but you want to start letting your money make money for you. That's the name of investment game, all right? Looking to make money for you. You buy these stocks and hoping to let that start making money for you. Whether it's a dividend paying stock, whether it's an individual company, ETF, it doesn't matter. We looking to let our money make money for us. And the best thing you can do is make money while you're asleep. Who wouldn't want to make money while they're asleep? Okay, that's one of my goals, to not only have financial freedom, but just make money while I'm asleep and continue to usher in generational wealth. All right, that's the goal. But you have to be consistent. You have to be calculated and use strategy. Okay, you cannot be impatient. You cannot let the FOMO, you cannot let the trends, you cannot let your friends or the people that you consider your friends. You have to be strategic. You have to do your homework, and you have to understand that this game right here, anybody can get into it, and don't matter how little or how much, because at the end of the day, you will become wealthy once you tap into that space. You will become wealthy when you utilize your purpose, your gift, your talent, okay? When you start to influence and surround yourself with the like-minded, positive people, that's what's going to help you go to the next level. So if you have enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, because there's more in store, and we just getting started in 2024. See you in the next one.